A driver got angry just because biker got in front. Fortunately, the cops were already there to step in.
Like you can just pull in wherever the
Sir, that guy just tried to run me off the road. That truck. I have it all on camera. Thank you. Damn.
Fast reflexes saved this biker from careless driver. 1 second slower and it could end up badly. In order to not hit the biker in front, this rider slammed on his brakes, resulting in devastating end to his ride.
Me too. You alright?
Ow, dude, that hurt.
What the happened? Me too.
Without looking, this lady ran across the road, even though she had a red light.
Where's she gone? Where did she just run off to? Are you okay?
That was a close one.
Oxi. Não tem acostamento não, a gente for pra aqui a gente morre.
Idiot. The f*** you doing?
This thief got a dose of instant justice when a biker caught him in the act of trying to steal a car.
Qual foi? Qual foi?
Tá roubando
Faz isso não, faz isso não.
Tá roubando carro mesmo, o cara meteu o outro ali. Ele tá roubando o carro ali na frente do médico. Ele roubou? Roubou. Senta aqui. Senta aqui.
Oxi.
Senta aqui. Senta e fica quieto aí, pô. Senta aí. Senta aí.
If you haven't noticed yet, there was a huge oil spill. As soon as the biker rode over it, his rear tire started sliding. Fortunately, he was wearing full gear.
Okay. Yeah.
Woo! Bad place to stall.
A dirt biker dropped his electric bike, and within seconds it went up in smoke.
Oh! Oh no! 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 Oh What's happening? Why is it smoking? It's burning. Something on fire? Oh my god. Pull the phone. What the f? The phone just exploded? Oh my god. What the f? Did we take it out? How do you take it out? Is it hot? Are we gonna get electrocuted?
I don't know. I think it's because it smashed the fucking.
It's blinking. Is that good or bad?
Not the key to try to like make it right out.
Yeah, pop out with a key. Jesus. Oh my god. Stark Future caught on fire. Bro. You're gonna have to go for the warranty on that one. Don't they have a no questions asked warranty? Holy shit. That is insane. Oh. It's just that piece. Bro, what happened? You're like one of the best riders here. Bro. That thing's cooking. Oh my god. You need your phone? Bro, that's insane.
I can still ride it.
That's hot. I gotta put it down.
I wonder why it's hot.
Enduro riding is all about skill and control. Check out how this rider reacted when his body failed.
Nereye düştü?